In the September 2025 release of Premiere Pro, we got a bunch of new customizable effects and transitions that we can use in our edits. Let's have a look as I overuse them in this video. I downloaded these two clips from the links in the description and I dropped them here on the timeline. Now, if you go to the Effects panel, if you don't see it, just go to Window, Effects. You'll find the new effects under Video Effects, all the ones that start with Film Impact. And you'll find the new transitions under Video Transitions, all these Film Impact folders. However, there's a dedicated panel just for these effects and transitions. And you can open it by going to Window, Extensions, Film Impact Dashboard. Once it's loaded, you should see something like that. I'm just going to quickly dock it here. On the left-hand side, you'll see Effects and Transitions, and on the right-hand side, you can hover over them to see a quick preview. Let's try out some effects first. Click to select the clip on the timeline, hover over Vignette Effects, and then click Apply. A vignette is applied on the clip, and you can go to the Effect Controls panel, find it there, and adjust the settings to achieve the effect you want. Things like the width, height, scale, angle, roundness, color, and so on. And this Surprise Me button allows you to preview a random variation of the effect just to see what's possible. Alright, I'm gonna delete this effect and let's try something else. I'll select the second clip, this one here, and I'm gonna apply this camera shake effect. And now if I preview it, you'll see there's a realistic camera shake that you can customize using the settings in the Effect Controls panel. Now, let's try some transitions. I'm going to transition between these two clips, so I'll select both of them, and let's apply a flare transition. Nice. And to change the transition settings, you'll need to click on the transition itself between the two clips, and then open Effect Controls. Next, let's try Glitch, Kaleidoscope, Slice, and Motion Camera. And you can also use these effects and transitions for graphics and text. Here's an example that starts with a text animator and ends with a shape flow. Of course, you can click on the small heart icon to set an effect as a favorite, and you find it here under Favorites. But if you want your specific settings that you set in the Effect Controls panel to be applied to another clip, then you can right-click on the effect, choose Save Preset, give it a name, and now you'll find it in the Effects panel under Presets, so you can easily drag it and drop it on other clips. That's it. Go ahead and experiment with these effects and transitions. The possibilities are basically endless.